Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my spring trend guide. In this series, we break down all the trends for spring and show easy outfit ideas to wear at home. So if you don't already, make sure to subscribe. There's new videos every Thursday and today is circle, circle, dot, dot, polka dots. There's so many prints to try this spring, and one of my favorites is polka dots. It's playful, it has a bit of a retro vibe, and there's so many ways to wear them. So let's kick it off with the polka dot dress. There's so many different polka dot dresses you can choose from. I went with more of a retro vibe with buttons all the way down. So for my first look, I was very inspired by Julia Roberts from Pretty Woman with the straw hat. I feel like this is something you'd wear to the polo field or a picnic. Of course, if that's too much for you, you can ditch the hat and just do a white denim jacket. And on bottom, I just did some comfy wedges, but you could do flats as well. Why I love buttons all the way down the dress is you can unbutton them and turn them into a top. So here I layered my dress over jeans and unbuttoned it to my waist, added a waist belt, and then some cork shoes. That way I can wear my polka dot dress to dinner and it gives it more of a city vibe. Another fun way to wear polka dots is with a jacket. So I went with this polka dot blazer and then I layered it over a striped tee. I love mixing prints, and since they're both navy and white, it's pretty easy to mix. I just did a skinny jean on bottom and then added a pop of color with some red shoes. To make the blazer a little dressier, I used a trick that we talked about from the white blazer staple series, so you can always check out that video. And by belting the blazer, it turns it more into a top. So I layered it over dark denim, and then I wanted to add a pop of color again, so I did yellow pumps, but you could do any colored shoes you have in your closet. Another fun trend that's popping up is polka dot pants. Since they're so bold, I like to pair it with something more simple on top. So for a more casual vibe, I just did a black t-shirt and denim jacket, then I had a little fun on bottom with some pearl flats. Since I'm going on vacation soon, I wanted to style my pants for more of a resort vibe. So I paired it with a white crop top. If crop tops aren't your thing, you can always do a billowy blouse. And then to keep things simple, I just did a black sandal on bottom. Another way I love wearing polka dots is with jumpsuits and maxi dresses. Now, this much fabric with a dot is definitely a lot of print, so you want to keep most of your accessories simple, but you can have a little fun. So I brought in my rainbow bucket bag. If you remember from the spring trend guide on handbags, both rainbow and bucket bag styles are huge for spring, so you can really play with color. I did a darker pink on my lip, but if that's too much for you, neutrals work just as well. So I hope that gave you some fun ideas on how to rock polka dots for spring. If you want some more subtle ideas, I've been wearing a ton of polka dot tops over on my blog, Sydne Style. So you can always check out more outfit ideas over there. And I want to see how you are wearing the trends at home. So throughout the series, we use the hashtag #SSTrendGuide. So if you upload a photo to Instagram, tag @SSTrendGuide and @SydneSummer, which is me, I will repost my favorite trend girl of the week on my weekly newsletter, Facebook page, and give a shout out on Insta stories. So I love seeing what you guys have been wearing. You've been doing a fabulous job. Stay tuned for next week. I have another fun trend guide coming up, so make sure to subscribe so you can watch. So I hope that gave you some fun. I am wearing polka dots and rainbows, so yeah, totally, for sure. I just got a manicure. It's reaching before 36. Okay.